Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best pedal exercisers that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best pedal exerciser. These days, many individuals spend long hours at the office to generate a livable income. Office jobs are a fantastic way to bring in a steady paycheck. There are certainly drawbacks to sitting at a desk all day. Number 5 Platinum Fitness Fitsit Deluxe Folding. The quick folding frame makes the machine easy to move and store, requiring no tools whatsoever. The included anchor strap ensures that the stationary pedal exercise. Main features: lifetime warranty, improved blood circulation, easily recover from injuries. Number 4 Drive Medical Deluxe Folding Exercise Peddler. Advances mobility health. The folding exercise peddler by Drive Medical is simply unbeatable when it comes to helping you increase your mobility and circulation. Main features: lightweight body, safer to use, super affordable price. Number 3 Von Medical Pedal Exerciser Chrome Frame. Many machines offer the option for arm pedaling, but the Von is specifically designed to provide both upper and lower body workouts. The machine comes fully assembled. Main features: no batteries required, lightweight, fully assembled. Number 2 Portable Medical Exercise Peddler. The best portable pedal bike to make our list is the Vive Stationary Exercise Floor Peddler. The machine is excellent for toning muscles. Main features: digital multifunctional display, compact design, tone your arm and feet muscles. Number 1 ER Mini Exercise Bike Arm and Leg Exerciser. This exercise peddler for elderly individuals is easy to use, and the sturdy steel base offers excellent stability. Most senior users will be in search of a light workout. Main features: no jerk. Pedal and strap size is large. Smooth, quiet, and stable. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.